Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PlayStation 5 microphone not working. First, let's start with some basic checks. Always ensure your microphone is securely plugged into the controller or console. Many headsets have a mute button, so double-check that it is not accidentally engaged. Also, confirm the volume dial on your headset is turned up. A quick test on another device can help determine if the issue is with the microphone itself or your PlayStation 5. Next, let's dive into your PlayStation 5's audio settings. From the main menu, go to Settings, then Sound, and finally Microphone. Here, you need to confirm that the correct input device, which is your headset, is selected. You can also adjust the microphone level to ensure your voice is picked up clearly without being too loud or too quiet. Don't forget to use the Adjust Microphone Level feature to test it out. Sometimes, an outdated system can cause unexpected issues. Make sure your PlayStation 5 console system software is fully updated. It's equally important to check for any available firmware updates for your DualSense wireless controller. After performing any updates, a full restart of your console is highly recommended. If the problem persists, try connecting your controller directly with a USB cable. This can sometimes resolve wireless communication glitches. If the previous steps haven't resolved the issue, we can try some more advanced troubleshooting. You might consider rebuilding the PlayStation 5 database from safe mode. This can often fix corrupted data. If you have access to another PlayStation 5 controller, try using that to see if the problem lies with your current controller. As a final measure, a factory reset of your console can be performed, but remember this will erase all data. If all else fails, reaching out to PlayStation support is your best next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.